Welcome to the Greens, where there is never a single zombie to be found. I'm Rob Peters, and today we have some very exciting news. But first, there is something that I noticed recently. There is a new door in my recording studio. I'm not sure what it leads to, but I'm gonna go check it out real quick. Alright. As it turns out, it's just a storage closet. They must have added it while I was away. Anyway, we should probably get on to the news now. Sorry if I sound a little tired today. Prometheus kept me up all night. Anyway, there is a new attraction in the Greens. Hopefully this will attract some new tourists. It is a little place known as Seagull Beach. So, if you want to splash around in the sand, then come on down to Seagull Beach. I don't think that's right, but that's what we're going with. Anyway, more information on Seagull Beach, if there is more information. I'm not sure if we'll ever need any more information because that's all there is to it. There's a new beach in the Greens known as Seagull Beach, and you can go there. Anyway, more news. Gotta get my notes. We will start with the community calendar. On Monday, the old building that is on the outskirts of the Greens is going to be demolished. If there is any object that you left there, please come and get it before we do so. On Tuesday, a man by the name of David Running will attempt to walk faster than other people, and supposedly he will also attempt to create a patent on this. On Wednesday, Green Mart is going to have a sale, headed by the mysterious Jack Jackson, who, if anyone remembers correctly, recently appeared in the Greens, supposedly moving in from an unknown location. What is this sale going to be about again? There's no one else in this room but me. Anyway, if you want to go check out that sale, then feel free. Thursday is Uncomfortable Silence Day. I hope everyone is ready to participate. Friday is... I couldn't think of anything, so from now on, Friday is Blooper Day. Saturday is Echo Day. It's going to be a very exciting day for all of us. And Sunday was actually 2 Saturdays in a trench coat. This has been the community calendar. More news on Seagull Beach. It's getting a lot of tourists. There are so many people who want to come around to see a beach. Though, it might also be because of the green sand, but hey, everything's green in the Greens. That's why it's called the Greens. And also because of the plants, which are also green. What was I talking about again? Yeah, the beach, Seagull Beach. It's going great. That's all I have to say about it. Seagull Beach is doing really well. It's attracting a lot of tourists, and it's open to everybody, except for Roger. You know what you did. So, come on down to Seagull Beach, unless you are Roger. It's not just that your name is Roger. You know which Roger you are, and you know that you're not allowed here. If you don't know which Roger it's talking about, then it's not you. Anyway, Seagull Beach. It's a very nice place to relax. I might actually go there myself once I'm done with my news broadcast. Anyway, some more news. And now, a word from our sponsor. Cabbage. This has been a word from our sponsor. And now for the weekly forecast. On Monday, there will be no weather. In fact, there will be no Monday. On Tuesday, we'll get Monday's weather, because there is no Monday, so Monday decided to give their weather to Tuesday to make up for their absence. Wednesday doesn't need weather. It never did. Thursday liked weather before it was cool. And as such, it will be cool on Thursday. Friday, you all know what's going to happen. Rose petals will fall from the sky, as is tradition. Saturday, forgot their weather at home. And Sunday robbed Saturday of their weather while they were out at dinner. This has been the weekly forecast. If you didn't understand any of that, too bad. Now it is time for a new segment that I like to call, Can You Make Soup Out of This? This is definitely not to pad the runtime, I promise. It is where I get completely random words and decide if you are able to make soup out of whatever it is. So, let's start. Death. Well, only if you're really brave. Dirt. Pretty sure there's dirt soup out there, so I'm going to go with yes. Reading. That is not a noun. Power. What type of power do you mean? Do you mean metaphorical power or electrical power? Because the answer to both is yes. Operation, as in the board game? If so, then probably. Hair. Yes, but I doubt I'd want to eat it. Confusion. I certainly am. Method. But probably not. 2. The number 2. Well, if you can make more than one soup, then I guess the answer is yes. Dinner. I'm pretty sure that's what soup is in the first place. Estate. I don't even know what that word means. College. You can make soup in college. And finally, last but not least, response. No. This has been a new segment that probably will never show up again, and we will never explain it whatsoever. Thank you. And now it is time for the motto of the day. The best things in life are free. The second best things in life are $19.99, plus international shipping. This has been the motto of the day. Folks, more info has been found on Seagull Beach. Stop going there. There is no Seagull Beach. There never has been a Seagull Beach. I have no idea what Seagull Beach is supposed to be, but we do not have it on our records, and nobody made it. It might be coming from an alternate universe or something. It might be a giant group hallucination. It could even be a living being. For all I know. I don't care. Just stop going there because it's dangerous. Clearly, since it's not supposed to exist. I've just gotten word that people are still going to Seagull Beach and they are fine. Apparently Seagull Beach isn't dangerous. So I guess we just have a beach that doesn't exist now. I'm sure the person that technically does not actually exist would quite enjoy this. So, that has been all for the news today. From me to you, goodbye, good night, and good luck.